Hey guys, it's iRaven here. Today, I'll be showing you more fire alarms in my area that I took pictures of. Let's start. This notification appliance is at an Aldi's Market store in my city. It is a Wheelock MT in white. It has a blue strobe cover and the word refrigerant on the sides. I don't know the tone of this alarm, nor the candela. Here's another notification appliance in the Fisherman's Wharf in Galveston, Texas. It is a system sensor mass, however it's not your usual mass. The strobe is located on the top instead of the center. This is a Wheelock remote strobe in my school's bathroom. It's set on 1575 candela. When taking pictures, I wanted to see if the fire lettering on the strobe would come off, and it actually did. Here, you can see the inner workings of the strobe itself. Okay, I'm at a vet, like 20 minutes away from my house, and this is the bathroom, of course, and in its bathroom, it's at EST Genesis. Well, I'm not even sure because it is an EST Genesis, I know that, but I know where it is. Look, it has horn grills. I'm not sure if this is a horn strobe or a strobe. If it's a horn strobe, you're stupid. Oh my. If it's a strobe, that's okay. So I don't know if this is the horn strobe or a strobe. I can't check. So it's way too freaking high. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed part 2. There are more alarms to be seen and pictures to be taken. See you all next time. Peace out.